Most people don't realize that you can create a realistic looking Spider-Man with a regular Windows computer and MS Paint. A few things. First, turn off anti-aliasing. Make sure you have the latest BIOS update. For extra realism, it's critical that your virtual RAM be set to no more than 256 kilobytes. Next, open MS Paint and draw a well-proportioned head. The correct ratio of a head is about 5 eyes wide, and the eyes should be about halfway down the head. Make sure you're using the Precision Pencil tool and have the finest point setting for extra detail. It will make a big difference in our final rendering. Step 2 is to fill in our drawing with the Bucket Paint tool. You can use the eyedropper thing to take a random sampling from Spider-Man's suit from one of the movie trailers. Just make sure you're watching it in 4K or higher. I just went ahead and used the stock red color that comes with MS Paint, and I'll apply the touch-ups afterwards, but do what you like. The spider hair is a key visual component, so even though it may take an extra hour or two, it's well worth it. Again, I use the fine-tipped pencil setting. Give Spider-Man some extra dark eyeliner to focus attention on the color contrast. If you make a mistake, don't worry. MS Paint has a nifty eraser tool to correct any minor flaws. We're almost done. Next, I import this into my GIMP photo editor and apply some effects. Oilify looks like I'm trying too hard. I find that the cartoon setting is the perfect balance of daddyism and surrealism that all good artists strive to achieve. And there you go, hyper-realistic Spider-Man.